Hi guys, welcome back to the Drive Life channel. In today's video we're taking a look at the Olight Prowess. Now this is, well, you know I love my torches on this channel. I think all of us men do, and I've had a bit of a thing going with Olight for a couple of years now, and they've just sent me this, the new Prowess. And this is a torch that I've never seen before, or a style of torch I've never seen before, but it really actually makes a lot of sense. It's bi-directional, which means it's actually got lights underneath as well as on top. Now, it might sound a bit of a gimmick at first, but actually once you start using this thing, there really is a lot of use to the bi-directional features. It's obviously all aerograde billet aluminium, solid as anything. 5,000 milliamp hour battery, which means it will last 20 days on its moonlight mode, which is just, it's absolutely amazing, isn't it? 5,000 lumens as well, 250 meter range on full blast forwards, obviously not from the bottom here. And you'll notice we've got both USB-C charging, but also this is detachable, so we've got the standard Olight charging capabilities as well. So in terms of the overall design, we've got a nice sort of knurled finish bezel at the top here. Means that you can stand the torch down on its face without damaging the glass, which is always nice. Obviously it's toughened glass. 6 big LED lights there, and they really do pack a hell of a punch. It's the sort of torch you can see in the daylight. It's that powerful. And then we've got a lovely sort of fibre optic bar on under the main sort of face of the torch. Now if we turn it on, you can see here how that lights up, and the idea is that you can light up a table, you can light up a room if you place it down like this, and it's upward lighting that otherwise you wouldn't get. You can obviously control the brightness, so you can turn it right up, and that almost hurts to look at. You can fade it down, make it super bright. You can do all sorts of bits and pieces, but the nice thing is that if you get bored of that, you can just literally flick a switch and we're now on. And obviously it will get brighter and brighter and brighter, and I've just blinded myself, but yeah, it makes a lot of sense. This is the perfect sort of in tent torch or camping torch. Comes with a holster as well, which is handy. I always find the ones with holsters handy. And you'll notice in the base here we've got a thread, and the idea is that you could sit it on a tripod and illuminate an area around it. So it's just a really nice piece of kit. The thing is with Olight, you know you're getting one of the best torches going on the market. The battery life is just ridiculous. I've used the Arcfell Pro now for a number of months, nearly a year even, and I've only charged it twice ever. It's on full. I use the O lantern all the time, and that's the one with the Bluetooth speaker in as well as a light. And I also use my Baton Pro and all sorts, and the Seekers, and they've all just been absolutely fantastic. Survived many drops, a bit sort of battered, but they always last, and the battery life on them, like I say, is fantastic. So Olight, I've got a sale on. All the information is down below in the description, and yeah, I'll see you next one. Cheers.